Well, it's been a really exciting time in the copper space. We've seen copper, shoot up to $2.50 end of last year, and then this year shoot through $3 and through $3.10, and this weekend it almost hit $3.20. So we might hit $3.20 before the end of the year. And there's some real fundamental reasons why copper is as strong as it is, and it's really related to reasonable demand from China and the U.S. and Europe. And really, more importantly, on the supply side. I mean, you're in a situation now where you haven't had any mines be built or started building in the past 5 years. And so there's a real dearth of supply. People know this, speculators know this, and so the price of copper is going up in anticipation of the fact that we need more supply, and more supply needs higher copper prices. I mean, our project, the Casino project, doesn't actually even need higher copper and gold prices. Our project works at $2 copper. So at $3 copper, really what you're looking at is just a big increase in profit. So at $3 copper and gold, which is now pushed through $1,300, you're looking at a project that's got an over 20% IRR and a $2 billion net present value. So absolutely tremendous returns on this project. Yeah, I mean, it was an absolutely great announcement, and it's been very, very exciting, and it's been exciting for the Yukon. The federal government, along with the territorial government, announced a $360 million infrastructure package for the Yukon. And what's exciting, I mean, that's exciting for the Yukon. It's a lot of money. And really, the infrastructure package is building a number of roads that improve the access, particularly for the mining sector. What's exciting for Western and its shareholders is that about $130 million of that money goes directly to roads towards the Casino mine. This funding request has been a long time in the making. We started about 3 years ago working with the territorial government, which changed to be the Liberal government, and the federal government as well, which is a Liberal government. And part of the condition of getting this funding was actually securing First Nations support. So First Nations have given a first level of support for this project, and that's really what helped trigger the federal funding and the fact that the Prime Minister came up to make that announcement. So now at this point, that support from the First Nations and the two levels of government needs to be put together in agreements. So those agreements are going to come fairly soon, we hope, and then we're going to start turning over dirt. So it's pretty exciting.